Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah.
Hello, hello. I'm Cassandra Lee, and let's get into this hairstyle. So I thought it would be super cool to give myself some bangs. So in this video, that's what we're going to be doing. And I will walk you guys through the process on how exactly I executed this with long locks. So I will let you listen to some music in the parts where I'm not explaining what I'm doing, and we will learn together. So what I'm showing is that they were already twisted, so I took them down just so I can demonstrate how I made my bangs. So what you want to do is two-strand twist your locks like you normally would when styling your hair. So when I get to the spot where I want the bang to stop, all I do is open up my two-strand twist. I separate each lock, and what I will do is wrap the lock counterclockwise around itself, and then I will hold that lock that I just wrapped, and then I will proceed to grabbing the additional lock and rotate it the opposite way. So then I will rotate it clockwise around itself, and I do that all the way up the shaft of that lock that I want to create the bang, and I will secure that with a rubber band. Normally when you're doing this style, you would wrap your lock loosely around itself. However, because these locks are long, I had to wrap them tight so that way my bang style wasn't too bulky.
Cause we be on a tough love.
that is how I created this look. I completely loved it. It was so cute to rock and wear. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Share the video with your family and friends, and also like the video as well. As always, thank you guys so much for your support and love towards my channel. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope that you guys are enjoying your life.
Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Where you look, where you touch, where you feel, yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you?